There are a lot of good reasons to have a nice big front porch. One of those reasons is to get a nice video of a huge rainstorm. We got one like this earlier today, and here comes another one. Like people up in the northwest, when they say it's raining, it's more like drizzling. Down here, sometimes it comes down in buckets, as you can see here. Imagine not all this is showing up on video, but you can at least see the river of water there, and probably some of the drops falling in front of the camera. Scooby likes it. Checks out the rain, says, "Ooh boy." I just ought to clean off my solar panels pretty good too. I did notice one spot on them. I kind of scraped the stuff loose the other day. It was just about the size of a quarter. Maybe a bird found a place to go. Scraped it loose and figured, hey, next time it rains, it'll be gone. And that's because we get stuff like this. Yes, there's my new lake. But hopefully most of this mess will be over today, because I got company coming for the weekend. Still loving it out here in the woods. So take it easy. Bye-bye.